Number 1.
1986 Mitsubishi Mighty Max, price $7,000. This truck shows 199,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a fully functional selectable 4-wheel drive system. Finished in black with a tan interior, it is a well-maintained and increasingly rare example of the model. The body is in good condition with typical scratches along the bed rails from regular use. Minor rust is present around the tailgate hinges and antenna area, but the rest of the truck remains rust-free.
The interior is in good shape for its age, showing some staining and a small tear on the driver's seat.
The radio and clock work intermittently. Recent maintenance includes a new electric fuel pump, Weber 3236 carburetor, belts, shocks, exhaust system, ignition components, and Goodyear tires, along with regular oil changes. The truck comes with a clean title, original window sticker, service records, and receipts.
Number 2.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, finished in a green exterior with a tan interior. This truck has accumulated 173,000 miles and is powered by a robust 5.7L V8 gasoline engine that produces 200 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, equipped with a dependable 4WD drivetrain, the Chevrolet 1500 provides enhanced traction and control, making it well-suited for a variety of driving conditions, from daily commuting to off-road adventures. The spacious extended cab offers generous room for passengers and cargo, adding versatility for work, travel, or recreational use. With its combination of proven V8 power, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive capability, attractive green and tan color scheme, and substantial hauling potential, this classic Chevrolet pickup remains a practical and appealing choice for truck enthusiasts and drivers seeking reliable performance.
Number 3.
1995 Ford F-150, price $6,000. It has 155,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in white with a blue interior. Powered by the legendary Ford 300 inline-6 gasoline engine, it is known for its durability, strong torque, and long service life when properly maintained. The truck has been well cared for and remains mechanically solid. The exterior shows some minor dings and dents consistent with its age, while the interior is clean and features a seat cover over the original bench seat. Recent maintenance includes regular oil changes, new front and rear shocks, serviced brakes, new headlights, replacement of the power steering system, transmission service, new fuel tanks and fuel pumps, a new steering box, new brake hoses, tie rods, ball joints, radiator and hoses, rear differential service, and replacement of the idle air
control valve and ECM. Number 4.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,200. This truck is powered by a dependable 5.2L V8 engine and features a 4x4 drivetrain paired with an automatic transmission. It has approximately 169,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a silver exterior and gray interior. Overall, the truck is in decent condition for its age and mileage. It has some rust on the rocker panels, but is otherwise relatively rust-free and presents well. The interior is in respectable shape, and the truck remains a solid, capable pickup. The check engine light is currently on due to a P0601 code, and both the ABS and parking brake warning lights are illuminated. Despite these issues, the truck is in overall good shape and offers a great opportunity for someone looking for an affordable 4x4 truck with a proven V8 powertrain.
Number 5.
1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,499. Powered by the legendary 3.4L V6 engine paired with a crisp 5-speed manual transmission and the rare factory electronic locking rear differential. Finished in white with a brown interior, it has 263,000 miles and performs exceptionally well thanks to a lifetime of meticulous maintenance and zero deferred repairs. Recent major service includes a timing belt and water pump replacement, new radiator, fresh coolant flush, complete brake service, and fresh fluids throughout the drivetrain. Premium upgrades include an Old Man Emu suspension lift and an aftermarket Bluetooth stereo. With its proven reliability, desirable manual transmission, extensive maintenance history, and quality upgrades, this Tacoma is a well-maintained example of one of Toyota's most respected and durable trucks.
Number 6.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $7,950. This truck is a well-maintained classic pickup featuring a powerful fully rebuilt 454 big block V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, 2WD. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this gasoline-powered truck offers both classic style and dependable performance. The vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well, starts reliably every time, and is suitable for daily use. It is equipped with power steering for improved driving comfort, and the heater is fully functional. Significant mechanical upgrades have been completed, including a new drivetrain from the engine to the rear axle, a custom rear driveshaft, new headlights, and new all-terrain tires. The truck comes with a clean title in hand and has been carefully maintained to ensure excellent roadworthiness.
Number 7.
1996 Chevrolet S10, price $3,600, powered by a 2.2L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Showing 122,000 miles on the odometer, it features an attractive green exterior complemented by a tan interior. This is a base model truck equipped with power steering, power brakes, crank windows, and a durable rubber floor mat. The truck has received several recent upgrades, including new tires, newer brakes, and a new clutch, although documentation for the work is not available. It is also equipped with a quality aftermarket stereo system, backup camera, and upgraded speakers for added convenience and entertainment. The vehicle runs and drives exactly as it should and has been well cared for throughout its life.
It retains its original paint, the doors do not sag, and the dashboard remains in excellent condition with no cracks.
Some rust is beginning to appear on the rocker panels, which is common for a truck of this age, but overall it presents very well.
Number 8.
2001 GMC 3500, price $7,000. This truck is powered by a dependable 6.0L Vortec LQ4 gasoline engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission. With only 107,000 miles, it features a blue exterior and gray interior in clean condition. The truck is equipped with a 4 or 6-inch BDS lift, skid plates, 35-inch tires, moto metal wheels, wide front fenders, and a hard tonneau cover. Inside, it offers fully functional heat and AC, along with a Pioneer touchscreen stereo and aftermarket door speakers for an upgraded driving experience. Overall, this GMC 3500 is a well-maintained heavy-duty truck with low mileage, strong performance, and desirable aftermarket upgrades.
Number 9.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, one-owner truck with a clean title in hand. It is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has only 129,000 original miles. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a tan interior. It comes equipped with leather seats, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, providing convenience and comfort for everyday driving. The air conditioning and heating systems are both fully functional, helping ensure a pleasant ride in any season. The truck is also equipped with a towing package, making it a practical choice for hauling trailers, boats, or other equipment.
New tires were installed last year, adding to its overall value and readiness for the road. Number 10.
1997 Nissan Hardbody, price $4,500. It has accumulated 201,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 2.4L gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in a silver exterior with a brown interior, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well. The air conditioning blows ice cold, while the heater works perfectly for colder weather. It is equipped with new tires and has received several new replacement parts, contributing to its dependable performance. The body and frame are completely free of rust, making it a solid example of a classic hardbody.
The only known issue is that it currently needs a radio. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for its next owner.